Hi beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. This was supposed to be an after dark cleaning video, but it ended up otherwise. And this is Monday, that is yesterday. I had a very crazy day and I was not able to do any house chore the whole day, but lucky enough I had cooked in the morning, so I just kept using utensils, and by the end of the day I had nothing left clean. And I just decided to do some cleanup. So I anticipated to just do the whole cleaning of the living room and the kitchen, but it ended up otherwise because I was very exhausted. And you know me, I don't force myself to do anything. When my body simply refuses, I just go to rest. So this was yesterday night. I just cleaned up the utensils, and the rest of the things I finished today morning. Yeah, so as we speak, I filmed part of the video in the morning so that I could upload this for you, because I also missed out a video on Sunday. So for the work from home moms, what do you do if you don't have help? And especially those who don't have help, how do you at times manage your work during the busy days? Have you ever met yourself in such a messed up situation, and how did you handle it? So I think this was around 1 a.m. if I'm not wrong. And the worst thing that I would do was just leaving these utensils dirty, because they would have messed up my morning cooking. Because as you all know, and especially those who are not new to this channel, I normally cook for my baby in the morning. So among all other chores I wanted to do at night, I wouldn't leave utensils, and that is why I just began by doing it. Yeah. Allow me to welcome all the new subscribers of the week. If you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you are watching my videos, karibu sana, and may God bless you for joining the family. I normally post my videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. On Tuesday and Thursday at exactly 2 p.m. and on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. So if you can get the time to always avail yourself, we normally have live premieres every other time during the upload. I also want to thank my returnees. Thank you very much for always creating time to just come and catch up with my content. And special thanks to all my Premier Gang members for always finding the time to just come and support your girl. May God bless you and your families.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Way back a year ago. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in.
Guys, sincerely speaking, I cannot do anything else. I just feel tired, and I'm going to assume that everything is okay and I will go to bed. I've not done anything in the living room. You can see I have unfolded clothes there, but I've just remembered I passed by the supermarket and bought some items. Let me show you what I bought, then we can go and sleep. You can see even the carpet is dirty, but I'll just assume it's clean. Yeah, my body has refused to do anything else. So guys, this is what I managed to get. I hope I'm audible because I don't want to shout. It's about 2 a.m. So these are packets of milk. I think they're about 5. Half a kg of sugar. 4 pieces of yogurt for my baby. Some mandazis for my baby for breakfast tomorrow. 1 liter of cooking oil. These serviettes and that cling film. And imagine guys, 1,000 is over from this. These are 2 small items to be 1,000 shillings. Yeah, I bought all this at the small items at 1,000 shillings. So guys, allow me to go and rest. We are going to continue with the other part of the video tomorrow morning after my baby goes to school. Actually, this is today morning, and it was after my baby went to school. I just decided to start here before I could even wash clothes, because folding is one main challenge in this house. And if I didn't do it now, then I will have to create some other time during the day, which I didn't want to because I was also going to work. So I'll just quickly fold them, then I will go clean clothes, and that will be it with this video. Everything that you see me doing, I wanted to do yesterday night except the cleaning, but it just ended up this way, and we don't have any control over it. By the way, I've just come to realize nowadays that just take life as it is. Wacha ijitembeze, don't force anything. Ikikataa achana nayo, let life flow. If it is not flowing, then leave it and don't stress yourself about it. Yeah, so let me fold these clothes. I'm going to do the cleaning off camera, but you are going to help me hang my clothes before we can end the video.
I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club.
You're going to realize some very bad lighting in the morning. I don't know what happened. I had to even put some filter, and I really apologize on that. I think it's the angle in which I usually place my camera, but for the outside part for hanging, when I'll be hanging my clothes, you'll also realize some darkness. There was really some bad weather in the morning, and there is nothing that I could have done about that one. So guys, in case you have watched this video up to this point, may God bless you. Thank you for creating your time to just come and support me. Thank you for subscribing. May God bless you a lot.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Thank you guys for stopping by and watching to the end. Bye bye.